At Forever Paws Animal Shelter, our mission is simple: place these valued animals in loving homes. Forever Paws Animal Shelter, giving animals a new leash on life.
After this amplifier is done, I think we've got an Ampeg up next. We've been doing a lot of Ampegs lately. I don't know what's up with that. So anybody been following the story of this that actor from the show Empire, a show I've never seen, who said he was jumped by some MAGA hat wearing, well, at first it was reported MAGA hat, but he's saying he was jumped by a couple guys in ski masks or something, and they've kind of gone back and tried to find video, and they don't show anybody. It's like just yet another media fueled hoax, apparently, at this stage. It's possible that, you know, he did get jumped by somebody, but they just can't find any evidence of it. So just kind of par for the course at this point. You can't believe anything anymore, because if you know anything about, actually, I once bought the Army manual on it was the Army Field Manual, U.S. Army, and it was on propaganda. So this was like one of those things that, you know, it kind of instruct you on what to do and how to cope if you're in the field and you're in a foreign country, and you know, you want to spread disinformation and all this stuff. It would actually teach you how to take over radio stations, you know, how to get desired results from the population, you know, how to distribute leaflets to inform a country that their leaders had abandoned them, and, you know, just stuff like that. I forget the actual manual, but it was a manual basically on disinformation. And it's once you read something like that, you know, there's no going back. There's no way to unsee that. There's no way to say, oh, yeah, these guys are totally innocent when they're trying to get us all at each other's throats, because you know that they've studied this shit for decades, you know. You know that they've read Edward Bernays. You know that they know all about, you know, Joseph Goebbels and how he operated. You know, this is not new stuff. This is Madison Avenue. It's all old, you know. It's been around a long time. Nothing new about it. And it's just, you know, and once, like I said, once you see it, you can't unsee it, and you can't unthink it. So every time something happens, at least with me, like this, you know, I have it in the back of my mind. It's like, okay, yeah, is this yet another one of those instances where they're trying to, they're not trying to tell us the actual goings on of the world. They're actually trying to create news rather than, you know, rather than report news fairly or accurately. And unfortunately, that happens all the time. And okay, what the other thing we're going to do here while we're in here is replace these two resistors.
Attention.
Okay, so there are those. There's the power supply all rewired.